For Laverna Campbell, aiming for the top has always been a priority, a trait which won her Alaska NAJ nurse for the year 2016-2017 period. A career path, she says, all started 33 years ago.
Started from high school, then to tertiary, even at nursing school. I was a leader, and so to plan projects and activities, I was there. And the elderly is what mostly we focus on when I was in nursing school. So I was always going out in a nook and cranny of the parishes to help.
But why nursing?
I know no other profession, and I get my gratification and my satisfaction from just seeing people getting well and just helping somebody. I became a nurse because my other siblings, we had almost all the profession in there. And the only one that was missing was nursing. And so I decided I want to go into nursing. And seeing the public health nurse at that time, we used to call them in quote, brown fat nurse, come to the school to give the injection. And I said, well, I want to be into that. So I had a choice between teaching and nursing. And I chose nursing, which I have no regrets. And if I had to do it again, I would do it all over.
Ms. Campbell, who is Deputy Head of Nursing Services at the Percy Junior Hospital, recently raised $60,000 through a 3K run to buy a refrigerator for the Yadel Home for Children in Old Harbor, St. Catherine, under one of many projects she's organized since she became Nurse of the Year. She says giving back is deeply satisfying.
Even as a midwife, when I deliver a baby, and that person, you see that person come back and say, nurse, say, is you deliver me? You feel good. You feel real good. And I just love that.
And as Ms. Campbell hands over her title as Nurse of the Year this week, she left a word of encouragement for other nurses.
I just want you to be focused. You have to adopt the principles of nursing. You have to adopt the code of ethics, confidentiality, and you have to be professional. That is one of the key, professionalism. Going out after graduation, if you are successful, you have to be passionate. If you're not passionate for nursing, you will never get through.
With a ray of hope, I'm Shamela Mitchell.